Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The first test between the West Indies and hosts New Zealand is intriguingly poised heading into the fifth and final day, with the Caribbean side set to resume on 212 for 4 in their second innings in pursuit of a massive 531 to win in Christchurch. They require a further 319. Shea Hope with 116 and Justin Greaves at 55 will return to the crease for the Caribbean side. The pair have so far shared in an unbeaten 140-run fifth-wicket partnership. This was Hope's fourth Test century and has so far included 15 fours and 1 6. Jamaica's John Campbell also made 15, while Tejran Chandapal went for 6, Alec Athenaeus 5, and Captain Roston Chase 4. Jacob Duffy has so far taken 2 for 65 for the Kiwis. Earlier, New Zealand posted 466 for 8 declared in their second innings after resuming on 417 for 4. Michael Bracewell took his overnight 6 to 24. Kemar Roach became the oldest seam bowler to take a 5-wicket haul against the Kiwis in Test cricket, finishing with 5 for 78. He now has 290 Test wickets. Debutant Jamaican pacer O.J. Shields weighed in with 2 for 74, while Jaden Seals had 1 for 72. Veteran coach Neville Bell has resigned as head coach of St. George's College Manning Cup team after a combined 24 years in charge of the North Street-based institution. It's understood Bell informed his players and technical staff of his decision on Thursday. During his tenure, Bell built one of the most successful schoolboy football programs in Jamaica, winning 15 major titles, including 5 Manning Cups, 5 Walker Cups, 4 Olivia Shields, and 1 Champions Cup. His departure leaves a significant void at St. George's College and in Jamaican schoolboy football. The 2026 Sagicor Sigma Run has set an ambitious target of $150 million to be raised to aid with a number of institutions affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa. The theme for the 29th edition of the Sigma Run is Run for the West, with a focus on providing relief for thousands affected by the hurricane. The emphasis will be on restoring damaged schools in the western region of the island. 2025 World 100-meter champion Seville will be one of 3 patrons for the run. Seville says it was important for him to continue offering support to those impacted by the hurricane.
A great feeling because to be a patron, because as you all see what has happened in the western side of Jamaica with the schools, churches destroyed, and you see what happened to the farmers, lose livestock and crops as well. So it's good to be a part because I have already donated my share towards the agriculture side because I am also a person that grew up in farming. So it's actually good to be a patron.
With almost 700 schools impacted by Hurricane Melissa, Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris Dixon was grateful for the initiative by the Sigma team.
There are so many schools that have been damaged, 690. That's a big number. And we need all the help we can to get them back. Our children need to be in school. And so to hear that Sigma run, and Sigma is the biggest run in this part of the world, and to hear that all the proceeds are going to rebuild schools in Jamaica is just such a fantastic day. Our children need to be in school. So many of them have been traumatized, and to know that a corporate like Sagicor is willing to support in this way is just amazing.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.